Happy holidays everyone, my name is Hema and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm starting with the NYX No Filter Primer, and I'm just priming my face first before I go in with the LA Girls Orange Concealer, and I'm just concealing all of the dark spots or pigmentation I have on my face. I'm then taking these two shades by Juvia's Place in Ibiza and Aruba and mixing those together and applying it all over my face for full coverage. I'm then going in with a concealer by Juvia's Place in Magic Concealer number 19, and I'm just applying that under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and chin. Now I normally do my eyebrows off camera, but today I'm going to show you how to conceal them and fill them in. I'm then just going to take my beauty blender and just pat that in. And then to contour with, I'm just going in with L'Oreal Infallible's concealer. So I'm just adding that to my temples and carving out my nose, my cheeks, and then also carving out my jawline for a chiseled look. To set my contour, I'm just using from The Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama bronzer to set my concealer. Today I'm using the LA Girls Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Black. I'm then going to go in with my Huda Beauty powder in Banana Bread and just set my under eyes. Eyeshadow palette by Morphe and James Charles, and I'm just using these shades here to add to my crease line. And then for my outer eye, I'm going to go in with the black eyeshadow, and for my lid, the darker green. I then wanted to add some glitz to this look, so I'm going in with NYX Glitter Goals palette in the green shade, and that's going right on top of my eyeshadow. then to set my face, I'm just going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder. And I love this powder because it truly melts everything together. I then decided I wanted to elongate my eyeshadow look, and so I'm just going in with the black eyeshadow and I'm just adding to it, bringing out that wing line and building my crease. I'm then also taking that black eyeshadow, going under my waterline, and I'm going in with the green eyeshadow on my inner corners and blending all that together. And I'll show you how to do this twice. I then decided I wanted a little pop on my inner corner, so I'm just going in with a gold tone shimmer eyeshadow from the same palette. And to finish my eyes, I'm just using the Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara. And for my lips, I'm just going in with an LA Girl lip liner. And then I'm just going in with a MAC lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. And then going back in with this palette by The Bomb Cosmetics, and I'm just taking Bahama Mama and adding more depth and warmth to my face. I'm then taking also from the same palette the Mary Luminizer highlight, my original favorite highlight. Favorite setting spray by NYX and setting my look. So this is my final look, you guys. I hope you love the Christmas feel to it. I know I did. And don't forget to subscribe. Keep tuning in for more videos coming your way.